and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be sharing one of my favorite DIY masks that I use a lot. This particular face mask reveals your skin's natural glow and helps with any acne scarring, dullness, blemishes, and hyperpigmentation. This is my go-to recipe for a quick and easy glow up. I find that my makeup goes on a whole lot smoother after I use this face mask. If you want lasting results, I recommend doing this at least once or twice a week. So let's jump right in. Here's what you'll need. Half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon chickpea flour or gram flour, 1 tablespoon plain yogurt. I'm using Greek plain yogurt, but you can use whatever you have available. 1 teaspoon MANUKA honey, raw honey will do, and a slice of lemon. Mix all the ingredients together in a small bowl. Continue mixing until you get a paste-like consistency. Before applying anything new directly to your face, always do a patch test on your arm. If no irritation occurs, then and only then apply to your face. Apply the mask evenly to your face. Leave the mask on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with warm water or a washcloth. Enjoy your glowy, bright, and smooth skin.